Good morning, students. I hope all of you are keeping fine. Yes. So today we are going to do English grammar. All of you take page number 134. 134 page English grammar book. Chapter 33. Okay, in this chapter there are various topics are there. Okay. When you open the book, you will be able to see what are the topics. Okay, so first topic is a reading comprehension. Reading comprehension means reading unseen passage. Okay, so B, paragraph writing is there. C, letter writing. And D, story writing. So we will be doing today reading comprehension or unseen passage. You get in your exam, answer the following questions from the unseen passage. Okay, so you should know, children, all these points before reading the comprehension or unseen passage. You should know. So first of all, you should read the passage quickly. Okay, first point, remember to read the passage quickly to get a general idea. Okay. Second point, read again. Okay, first time read quickly, second time once again read a little slowly. Okay, read slowly so as to understand the details. What idea is there in the passage. So read slowly. Third point, study the questions or read the questions thoroughly. Read and understand them carefully. Not simply reading, you have to understand it. What exactly that question is. Fourth point, use complete sentences to answer the questions. Don't write only one word, two words. Write complete sentences, full sentences. Complete sentences to answer the questions. Fifth point to remember, if you are asked to give the meaning of any words or phrase, you should express the idea as clear as possible. What idea is there in that following paragraph? According to your understanding, you have to answer it. Express it in your own words, according to your understanding. It is not that what is there in the book you have to write, but according to your understanding, you can write your own answer. Alright. So children, now look at the following paragraph. Okay, read this passage. Bubble gum, which is chewed by young and old in modern times, has its antecedents in early times. Antecedents means its existence from early times. Okay, people have enjoyed chewing gum in many lands across the world. The material for making bubble gum may have been different. Material used for making bubble gum may have been different, ranging from thickened resin of certain kinds of trees to various sweet grasses, leaves and waxes. Next paragraph. So lumps of tree resin were chewed by the prehistoric men, early men and women for pure enjoyment. They chewed it for their enjoyment. The Greek chewed the mastic gum. Mastic, a type of tree. Okay, sapodilla tree. Okay, the resin obtained from the bark of the mastic tree Then Curtis brothers made chewing gum from the pure resin of the spruce tree in 1848. Later, they added paraffin and flavor. The brothers opened the first major gum manufacturing plant, the Curtis Chewing Gum Factory. So these Curtis brothers, they established manufacturing plant. Next, Thomas Adams, a famous photographer of New York, boiled chicle at his home. Boiled chicle, it is another term for sapodilla tree. One more term for sapodilla tree. Chicle at his home and sold small piece. Chunk is a thick solid piece. He sold it of it to a local drug store. In 1871, he patented another variety of its kind. Invented another variety of its kind, the flavored gum, by adding licorice flavoring. By adding licorice flavoring, he added and invented another kind. He named his product Black Jack. When he invented another kind, he named it Black Jack. It was sold in stick form, but later became popular. Famous. Since then, many people tried to make bubble gum and popularize their product. Since then, bubble gum became famous, popularized all over the world. So children, homework for you. Once again, you go through the passage, read slowly, and whatever words, meaning you do not know, find out, alright, and understand. Now down below there are questions. So first question, which sentences tell us that bubble gum has existed for ages? For ages, its existence. Which sentence in the passage? Already I have found out the answer. Look at the book. So first sentence, bubble gum which is chewed by young and old in modern times has its antecedents in early times. So this is the answer, first answer. Already I have written. So write down in your book. Second question, how did the prehistoric people enjoy gum? How did the prehistoric people enjoy gum? So second answer here again, second paragraph. Lumps of tree resin were chewed by the prehistoric men and women for pure enjoyment. So this is the answer, second answer. Third question, who opened the first major gum manufacturing plant? Who opened? Answer is here. Who? Curtis brothers. They established. So this is the answer. Curtis brothers opened manufacturing plant. Fourth question, who invented the bubble gum and what did he name it? Who invented the bubble gum? So answer is here, fourth answer. Thomas Adams, a famous photographer of New York. In that too, second part also is there. What did he name it? So second part again here. He named his product Black Jack. Remember. First sentence, Thomas Adams, a famous photographer of New York. In the same answer you write. Second sentence, he named his product Black Jack. This is the fourth answer. Fifth question, which words in the passage mean the same as pieces? Pieces. So answer is there here, small chunks. Answer fifth you have to write only small chunks is the answer. Last one, question 6. Suggest an interesting title for the passage. Now title is not given. So according to your understanding, you have to give the title. So okay, so already have given the title. Title will be answer 6th, The Bubblegum is the title I have given. So, okay children, so you will complete it. So comprehension passage second 2. This I am giving homework. So children, all of you read this passage carefully, understand it, and you have to find out the answers. Already I have solved it. So if you are able to understand the passage, you need not look at the video. You read and understand and find out the answer by yourself. If at all you are not able to find out the answer, understand the passage, then only you listen the video and complete it. First answer, an official seal. Second, the postage stamp. Third, within 20 years of 1840. Within 20 years of 1840. Fourth, some people buy rare stamps. Now here ... that means you have to complete the sentence. So answer is there. You can see here, from here down below. You will find out from first paragraph, last sentence. Okay, but still I have written down for your clue. Look at it and complete it. Some people buy rare stamps hoping their value will increase like that of other rare items. So that is the answer. Fifth question. Pick any 4 adjectives. Pick out any 4 adjectives from the passage. Adjectives already you have learned. Adjective is a word used to describe a person, place or thing, or it modifies noun or pronoun. So from this passage we have to find out 4 adjectives. Okay, these are the 4 adjectives. One is there: popular, official, postage, rare. Okay. 6th question. Give words from the passage that mean similar to the following. 3 words are given. From this word, you will be giving the meaning from the following passage. Well known. You will find the word for well known, popular. Okay, very popular. Different. What is the meaning of different? Various. You will find this word, various. Again, purchase. Purchase means buy. B-U-I, buy. So, okay. So, read the passage carefully and write the answer neatly and clearly. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you.